The best way to get paid in 2025 is to steal your favorite creators' content. This opportunity was introduced by streamers, but now creators like Iman Gahdzi, Eddie Cumberbatch, and many more have hopped on the wave. Whop.com has made it easier for you to collab with them and have them pay you out based on your video's performance. Before I show you how you can start making money with this, let me explain what Whop.com is. Whop is a free platform similar to school.com where you can host a community without having to pay $99 a month. It's totally free. Whop can also be a paywall for your Discord or Telegram community if you end up wanting to charge your Discord or your Telegram community. But Whop has this goated feature called the Content Rewards Program. This is how you're gonna make the money, right? So you're gonna wanna listen. Whop has free and paid communities that pay clippers when their content performs well. It's a literal win-win ecosystem where the creator gets exposure and you get paid. Everyone benefits. This is how the Whop discovery page looks, and this right here is the content rewards program. This is how you're gonna want to find, this is how you're gonna find these communities, right? So as you can see, Goalie even offers this content rewards program for UGC content and faceless content, as you can see. This isn't too good to be true opportunity. Creators like Iman Gahdzi and Eddie Cumberbatch, like I said, have partnered up with Whop, and Iman Gahdzi has a Whop community offering $5 per 1,000 views, right? Hundreds of clippers get paid to make a video sending the traffic to his webinar. So he gets exposure and they get paid to make that video. And Eddie Cumberbatch is making thousands and thousands of clipping communities all for free. He's partnered up with Rob the Bank, Drewski, and even Bryce Crawford. Big creators like them are paying you to make clipping content. All these creators, you can clip them and get paid for it, and faster than you can with TikTok. Now here's how you can start getting paid, right? So you're gonna want to create a Whop account, use a professional username or something silly. It really doesn't matter, because you're clipping the content regardless, right? So you're gonna want to find these communities right here. These are some that I joined in. If you want to screenshot that and join them. This one right here is where you can connect with creators and start working with creators right away. You know, it's super fast and simple. Next step is to edit and post. All you really need is CapCut, something free. You know, you edit the clips, you post it on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram, and you get your videos approved, and from there you'll see the money come in. If you want to skip the searching, like I said, you can join my community. It's already there, link down below in the description. You know the drill. So here's a editing crash course for those of you that don't know how to edit, right? So you have to understand the requirements of these communities. Each one of them have their own requirements. This one has a 10-second minimum. You have to tag the creator. You must mention the online challenge. You know, you can't make a AI generated video, etc., etc., right? You understand the requirements. You know, you access their content, typically have a Google Drive, or if they don't, you can just go on YouTube and search up the creator and start, you know, screen recording, and then start clipping. Like I said, all you have to do is just edit it on CapCut and upload them, get them approved, and you'll see the money come in. To replicate virality, you have to find winning videos. So with each clipping page, like and comment with the corresponding niche. So let's say you're clipping for Iman Gahdzi, like and comment on posts related to Iman Gahdzi, right? And then this is so you can control the algorithm, showing you similar videos and showing you videos that are working already, so you won't have to reinvent the wheel. Next step is to save the videos with high views and high saves. These are the videos that you want to replicate so you can start understanding how to go viral, see how they formulated that video, and then, like I said, edit the video similar to the viral videos that you have saved, and you'll see the views come in, and then you'll see the money come in, right? This is why this is one of the best ways to make money in 2025. Now here's some tips for success, right? You have to study viral patterns, analyze what type of clips perform best, look at the patterns of the length, you know, the video length, the style of the video. Do they have the title on top or on the bottom? Is there captions, you know? Another thing that works, and a lot of people say that this doesn't work or is outdated, it's the, you know, Subway Surfers on the bottom and the clip on top, or the Kaizenat reacting and then the the creator clip on the bottom. Some communities don't accept that, but most communities do, and those print like crazy, right? So as you can see on the right side here, the reaction videos print like crazy. They get high engagement, high views, and they just go crazy. You want to also focus on emotion. You want clips that evoke strong emotion, rage bait, sadness, you know, something controversial, something. You want to join different communities so that you have different streams of income coming in. Yes, you're gonna have to put in that work, but this is the easiest way to get paid. You'll get paid faster than working at a 9 to 5, right? So the last tip for success is you have to be consistent. Like I said, you have to put in the work for this. You're gonna want to join multiple Whop communities and start clipping the creators. The money will come in slowly but surely. It will rack up, right? So here's some free sauce that I normally do not give out. So what you want to do is on TikTok, you want to clip at least 3 to 6 videos. You know, you post 3 to 6 videos daily. This is so you can get used to the consistency and, you know, start building the routine to edit and post clips, right? And then for YouTube, you're gonna want to post 1 quality video a day. You know, YouTube does not like it when you spam posts. I've tested it out and it just messes up the performance on each video, so you're not gonna want to do that. And IG Reels, typically the magic number is 3 per day. If you copy the tips I gave you earlier, you know, each video should go viral. And you obviously want to track your performance. You know, you want to monitor which video does the best, which video does horribly, so you can always avoid those mistakes and always perform better. You know, you never want to stay stagnant. Now, to conclude this video, the action step would be start now. You know, you want to start doing this now. Go on Whop.com and join those communities. You don't even have to post, just join the communities, get used to Whop and see how it is, right? And then if you want to earn money, you can start posting right now as soon as you join a community. Whop is absolutely free. These communities are absolutely free. And the last action step I want you to do after this video is join mine, because I'll connect you with these creators so you can skip the step of reaching out to these creators, trying to work with them, or doing these extensive research. I'm actually dropping a free course, so join that community, take advantage of that. And if you want to get better at this, join my Whop community, which is down below.